In this video, I'll show you how to invert colors in DaVinci Resolve. To get started, open the color page or stay on the edit page. Both methods work for this effect. If you're on the edit page, open the effects panel on the top left. Click and drag the invert color effect onto your clip, title, or background element. By default, the effect will invert all color channels, red, green, and blue, creating a complete negative version of your image. If you'd like to control which channels are inverted, select the clip, then go to the inspector. Under the Effects tab, you'll see options to toggle individual color channels on or off. You can also apply this same effect to text layers or graphic elements to create interesting visual contrasts. If you're working on the color page, you can achieve the same result by adding a node, then opening the RGB Mixer. Simply invert each channel by setting the red output to 0 for red and 1 for the other two channels, and repeat for green and blue. This gives you manual control over how the inversion behaves. That's it. Now you know how to quickly invert colors in DaVinci Resolve using either the OpenFX tool or manual color adjustments.